Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forrest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. This time I decided to pick up the Crave case for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I got it from Amazon. I was just looking on Amazon and deciding what cases I wanted to pick up for my beautiful device and share with y'all. Came across this case, it had some good reviews on there, and it looked pretty cool, looked pretty simple, so I decided to go ahead and pick it up. Nice packaging from them. Now, in my normal reviews, we'll make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? Can you wireless charge with the case? You know, does it add bulk? And the overall fit of the case. But nice packaging from them, plain and simple. It says Protection Series case, ultra slim design, premium quality. But let's see how quality it really is. If I can get in the box. So it's a nice little case. It has like this little design in there. The back is like this rubber soft, I won't say soft, but it's not going to scratch off the back of your phone. And then the back of it has these little grooves in there for, you know, grip. I do like that. And it's a hard TPU plastic. Little Crave logo there. But let's see how this thing fits. It comes in multiple colors, so you can get it from, you know, green to blue, red. But you do get camera protection all the way around. You also get lip protection from the top and bottom. Let's see. So it's not touching the bottom of the table. Now, again, with these cases, I wouldn't slam it down like that. But you can place it down. You don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful display. One thing I noticed right away is the power button is nice and tactile. The volume rockers are the same way. The only thing is I wish they had a little space in between it, or make one of the buttons like different style or even a grippy style there. So that way you know which one you're pressing more. But the buttons are nice and tactile, not hard to press. Everything lines up at the bottom. The pen is pretty easy to get out, even without fingernails. Because you can tell it comes down some to the rest of the case. So, not hard at all. At the top, the microphone lines up. It does not add bulk to your phone, as you can tell. Look, that's not a bulky case at all. The one thing I noticed too is the grip. It does add grip to your phone, so that's a good thing. It's not a slippery case. I like the design of this. Let's see the overall fit. The top is nice and snug. Around the power button and, around the charging port and the pen, it's a little bit loose, but it goes back. Let's see how hard it is to take off. You can hear it there. It takes some effort to get this case off, so that's a good thing. I like when you hear that snap, that means it's fitting in there good. When you drop it, you don't have to worry about your phone falling out or popping out of the case, so that's good. Last thing we want to check, can you wireless charge? I don't think you'll have a problem, but let's find out. And as you can tell there, you can wireless charge without any issues. So this is actually a nice case. I think it's like $17 right now on Amazon. And yeah, I like the grip. I love how it doesn't add bulk. You get the camera protection you look for. Everything lines up. You can wireless charge. So it hits all the check marks that you look for a case. The buttons could be a little bit better. Like I said, separate them or give me a ridge. I was looking for that word earlier. Give me a ridge volume up or volume down so I know which one I'm pressing. And the ridge power button too would be nice. But the buttons are nice and tactile, so overall it's a great fitting case. Again, if you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video and this review, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.